Now I kind of got a whole attitude because I just smashed my finger right before recording this video. But anyway, so you know it's vacation season and everybody be trying to diet last minute, including myself. So I've had this box for quite some time, and I think this is the Don't Worry snacks. And I don't know if you've tried them before, but so I'm in a mood for a snack, so I decided this might be the best time to go ahead and record this video. So this is me unboxing a box that I probably got about a month ago, so hopefully they're not expired. And so this is what it looks like. Ooh, this are big containers. Now they know they dead wrong because I'm about to crush. And it's only 4 calories per piece, so I hope they're good. It says that keto friendly. These are keto friendly and gluten free. 4 calories a piece. Look how big the container is, y'all. And I got 4 of them. So this one is double chocolate. This is what it looks like. So you get 4 of these. I'm gonna link them down below. I'm excited to try these now that hold on. Hazelnut chocolate. Ooh. Double chocolate. They look like they might taste a little airy or whatever. I don't know which one. Oh, and mint chocolate. Now I'm a huge Girl Scout Thin Mint lover, so I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this one first. Hold on. Okay, sorry y'all. So it shows you on the back that you can compare this. So like for instance, this says 196 calories for the if you eat the whole container. And that's the same amount of eating. It says 4.3 chocolate sandwich cookies is the same. So you got this little guide on the back. Let's see what they taste like. Let's see what they taste like. So of course, I'm gonna try this mint chocolate one. Cause I'm craving chocolate. Ooh, now look at me, I done spilled this all over me. Be careful opening these cause it's like a, hold on, it's real airy. Smells good. Let's see. And it melts right in your mouth. That's good. I can definitely taste more mint than chocolate, but I do see that some of these pieces in here got chocolate pieces in there. So let me try one with the chocolate piece in there. Yeah, so if you're trying to diet and you love snacks like I do, because I'm huge on cookies, chips, and chocolate, especially my Hershey Almond candy bars, my Mr. Good bars, my Girl Scout cookie Thin Mints. That's what this literally tastes like, a Girl Scout cookie Thin Mint. So I feel like I got my fix just by only eating those 2. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So if you've tried these, let me know down in the comment section below what you think about these. I'm excited to try all these other ones. And why I just opened these, I didn't even check the expiration date. Okay, so it says I got till August. I'm glad I opened these. So it looks like I got till August 31st to eat these. Well, it says best by date is August 31st. So what's this? It's May now. So yeah, I have enough time to eat these. But yeah, so if you're on a diet or you're looking for a keto gluten-free snack to curb your cravings, like I said, this came with double chocolate, mint chocolate, hazelnut chocolate. Oh, I got 2. Wait a minute. Oh, so I got 2 double chocolates. Okay, so you can get a mixture of them or whatever kind of fix you like. I'm gonna link them down below. Let me know if you've tried these, but these are the Don't Worry calorie snacks. They are keto and gluten-free. I'm sorry, keto friendly and gluten-free. 4 calories per piece, so you don't have to feel guilty about eating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 of them. But I guarantee you, you will only need like a good 3 of them probably at the most. Drink you some water and you'll be good. Don't Worry snacks. I'll see you guys in the next video.